Simple Solutions, and we're just going to show you how to build a custom task in Flatrate Pro on the iPad. You can do this on the iPhone or on the computer as well. And what we'll do is just go ahead and go to we'll go to a client and then make a new quote for that client. We'll pick this client here, Jack Sparrow, from the Black Pearl Pirating Industries Limited. Okay. And one of the ways you can do a quote is you can go to the client. There's lots of ways you can do it, but you can go to the client, and then these are a list of the quotes that he has, and we can scroll through those. But what we can do is just say new quote, and that's going to generate a quote and already have his name in there, and we'll give it a call ID. And then we can go here to the quote lines, or actually you can also, let's just show you that. If you want to change the address, because customers can have more than one address, he has one other address, his California address. So we'll choose that and say continue. Okay, so we've got it billing the Bahamas, and there's Los Angeles. So what we've got here is quote lines. And let's just do the custom task. So you just say add task, and that starts with the group. So that's group A, which is fine. It's just so you can separate different groups for your task. And then what you do is you enter the it's easier to type with the fingers. You enter the custom task number that you've specified into your settings. So I've set up T99. Anytime you type that, it makes a custom task, and then you say next, and you can see it says enter your custom task name here. So we're going to call this special piping job. Okay. And then the simplest is to build a task is to, your system has entered in your billable rates. So if a technician enters the billable minutes for the job, it's going to be able to put that much labor in there. So let's say that this job was, I don't know, 180 minutes, a 3-hour task. And then we just go ahead and go next. And then now we're in the field for materials build. If they just enter in the cost of the materials that's going to go into the job, that's going to give a quote. So you can see right now it's got a total with our just for the labor. Now we're going to add say $75 in material cost, and the system's going to look at your markup table on parts, and it's either you've set a sliding scale or you've set a fixed percentage that it's going to mark it up. So then we just click next, and notice it increases the total, and it includes the materials build in there, and it shows you in a code format here. That's about roughly 10% of the retail material, so it shows an 8, and sort of so it's a code, so you're not showing that to your client exactly. And we're going to rotate this iPad. Let's get it to flip. Okay. That's how you do a custom task. If we wanted to add another task over here, we've got our list. Right now I've got the hydronics controls showing. So we can just go ahead and add one, and it adds it. That's how you normally put a task, a lot quicker. And that's the custom task. There's one other way of doing a custom task, and that is you can just, depending if your company, how your company works, this wouldn't work for some companies, and it does work for others. And the reason I'm saying that is that this one isn't going to have any build time for the task. So if it's a if you're just paying a commission, or you're not tracking your build time, which I suggest you do, You can enter a T99 task, and instead of entering the billable minutes or the materials billed, if you click over here in the discount column, or if you're using one column pricing, you'll only have one column, and you just put how much. I want an $800 task. Done. And then that's the price of it, and notice on the regular rate it's already got it at your higher rate for regular. So that's another one of the great simple, truly simple solutions within Flat Rate Pro and Flat Rate Go on the iPad and the iPhone. Thank you.